Yo, what's going on, guys? This is your boy GSDLM here, bringing you guys a brand new unboxing to my channel. Now this is episode 2 of the Supreme unboxing. I said on the last unboxing that I was going to bring you guys the illegal business hoodie unboxing. So got it in a package like I did last week, and I came with this bag, so I'm guessing everything comes in this bag. I haven't opened the stickers, but I did open the hoodie earlier. I got it like an hour ago, and I just forgot to record for some reason. Like, I just couldn't think of it. And then I have the stickers on me right here, and I got the hoodie right here. Like I said, I got it in dark aqua. As you guys can see, this is really nice. I like this one. If we go to the front, let me go ahead and turn it. If we go to the front, as you guys can see, there's no design on it or anything. The only other design that we can see would be on top of the hoodie that says Supreme right here. Let me turn it for you guys. It says Supreme, and I'll show you guys here the tag that it has. Right there, you guys can see Supreme, made in Canada. I think in the back, this is a large. I am reselling it. Large, made in Canada. We have the little tag down here, Supreme, and then inside, get that for you guys real quick. If I find it, I don't even remember what side it's on. Alright, here's the tag in the inside. Supreme 100% cotton. In the back, nothing too special right there. But yeah, this is a hoodie. I really like it. It's in dark aqua. I wanted it in black, but by the time I added it to my cart, it was already sold out. And then I went to go check, and I saw that the dark aqua was still there, so I just went ahead and copped that one. So let's move on to the stickers here that I have, and I'll show you what's in them. Alright guys, I got the stickers here. I just opened them. So the first one we're going to be pulling out is the one everybody gets every drop, just the white on red Supreme sticker. Now I have 2 of these, and there is some different ones. Once again, the poppy seeds, I got them again. I got them last week, or not last week, but in the t-shirt unboxing that I did. If you guys watched that, you guys can see that I got the poppy seeds as well. And there's 2 new stickers that I did not get from last week. So we got the Prodigy sticker right here. Pretty cool. I didn't get this one last week. I got the Molotov one, but it was smaller and it had 3 designs of the Molotov. It might have been 4, I'm not too sure, but it was like a small one. So it was like this here. It was like this, but instead of it saying Supreme, it just had the Molotov 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And so I got a big one now here. Got this one and the Prodigy one. So yeah, this was a pretty cool unboxing, if you ask me. I am reselling it for around $248 on Grailed. If you guys want to go look for it, it is a large one. And I did put it up on StockX as well. So yeah.
Anyways, thank you guys all for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Next video I will be releasing is going to be the Spring Summer Week 3 drop list. That will be dropping on Wednesday night. Other than that, please be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out. Peace.